Hey, this is John with Alpine Motors. Today we're taking a look at a 1965 AC Cobra from Kirkham Motorsports. This car is absolutely amazing. When you consider the AC Cobras that are out there, you have the Factory 5 cars. We've had a couple of the Gen 3, Gen 2 cars. They're a great car. They're fantastic. They're great to build, fun to drive. And then you have the original Cobras, the true Cobras, which are millions of dollars, and you don't really want to drive them because they're so expensive, but they are wonderful. And then you have the Kirkham cars. And the Kirkham cars are a great balance between something you can drive and enjoy that truly has the spirit of the AC Cobra. As we take a look at this car, you immediately notice that it is a completely polished aluminum body. This car is built in an old MIG factory in Poland, and it is built to Shelby's specifications. As a matter of fact, it is so close to Shelby's specifications that at one point, Shelby was buying all of their bodies and chassis from Kirkham. So it truly is a fantastic representation of those original AC Cobras. As we walk along the body and we take a look at it, you can see it has the sanded in stripes on the body. This thing is so amazing when you take it to a car show. It just stands out and people gravitate towards it. When we look at the wheels, instead of a lug nut style wheel, it actually has a knockoff. And you can see here, there's a safety pin. You push it in, and then you hit the wheel with the lead hammer, and it knocks that right off. The car does come with the lead hammer, by the way. As we make our way back and you look at all of the trim and the details, from the handles to the side mirror, and then kind of make our way into the interior is very clean. We have black leather seats. We have a 5-point harness here with our single hoop roll bar. And the single hoop roll bar is actually attached to the frame on this car. So it is very sturdy. We have the Kirkham gauges, and then this car comes with the fire extinguisher option. So it has a built-in fire extinguisher system, and you of course pull the pin, pull the handle, and the fire extinguisher will execute. We'll make our way back a little further. You see it has that body line of the beautiful AC Cobra that a lot of us really truly appreciate and love. It has the right tail lights, and it also has the jack point bumperettes on it. When we look in the trunk of this car, I want you to notice something. So the owner was friends with the group at Kirkham, and they took a lot of pride in building this car. Everybody that was involved in the building of the car actually signed the back firewall. I have never seen that in any of the cars that we've ever worked on. It is a true testament to the care and genuine love that went into building this amazing car. So as we walk around a little more, you'll notice it does have a true Le Mans style gas cap. So we've had them in the past where the Le Mans style gas cap has another regular gas cap underneath it. This is a true Le Mans style racing gas cap. So if you took this to the track, you could fill it incredibly fast. So as we walk around, you'll notice it has the Tremec 5-speed. This transmission, I can't say enough about Tremec. We've used it in so many builds. It is such a nice transmission, and this has a great gearing. This motor has so much horsepower on the top end that first and second gear are nice and tight, and then third has so much room, and then you get into fourth. This is an amazing car to drive. It is so fast. You also notice it has that beautiful wood steering wheel, which makes it really nice to drive as well because it's a larger steering wheel, gives you a lot of control, gives you that feel of the original AC Cobras. I will say, of all the things though, I love these side exhausts and I love the wheel package on this car. With these bronze wheels and that satin finish on the side exhaust, it truly gives this polished body a great artistic look. This car is breathtaking. But you know the part that everybody loves the most. This car features a 520 cubic inch motor, fuel injected, built by Blair Patrick. This car is phenomenal. This is a race engine, a full all aluminum FE 520 cubic inch motor. Now I don't have dyno sheets on this, but both the builder and the tuner told me that this car did over 700 horsepower. 700 horsepower in a car that is this light, it is so much fun to throw this thing around. It just handles amazing. It just is a riot to drive, and you will absolutely love driving this car. It is fuel injected, so every time you start it, it fires right off. You turn it on, it primes itself, it fires right off. It's currently tuned for race gas, but it is so amazing in the response on this car. It is phenomenal. So this is one of the absolute best AC Cobra cars that we have had at Alpine Motors. It's currently up for sale on Bring a Trailer. You can bid on this car, it could be yours. It is a dream to drive. I really hope everyone enjoyed this, and definitely give us a call if you have any questions and reach out to us through the comments on Bring a Trailer. But this has been a 1965 AC Cobra from Kirkham Motorsports.